Welcome back to Daytime Live. Now we're coming to the end of Reggae Month, and a mega reggae concert is happening tonight and tomorrow night.
The show will feature some of reggae's biggest global acts, including Coffee, Sizzler, Capleton, Albarosi, Omi, and Marcia Griffiths, as well as I-Octane.
Well, performing on Saturday night is I-Octane, who I don't know why the producer decided to go to link up with this bad picnic.
What's up, Dub? Mr. Dub, what's up?
What's up?
How you doing? How you doing?
Big up. We're good, man. We're good.
No, hey, listen to me. Don't matter how you doing. You don't say you're troubling. So apart from the working out, I was to say you're going to weight loss and I go.
Yeah.
Them something that you don't know, say for the COVID, we now make the thing get out of hand.
Well,
Yeah. Remember, Craig is one of my inspirations.
Respect to that.
Remember, Craig was like maybe 300 pounds and he just cut it down to 150 now.
330.
How much?
It was 330.
Wow.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So it's a good thing when you have less weight and
yeah.
You know, it was a New Year resolution for me. I'm gonna start late down in the year, but you know what I mean? It really gave me a different perspective of myself.
We see the changes physically, but mentally, creatively, emotionally, how have you been coping during the pandemic?
In terms of COVID?
Yeah.
Well, from the initial stage of my career still, you know, I was always a person who being an entrepreneur from early stage. You know, I always tell myself that don't buy cars is important, but own some little things just in case. Because these things happen right through every music, every individual career where you have to make that transition from being that person to this person. And if you don't plan for the future, then you know what I mean, you'll get left out when everything changes, and then you become bitter and start to cause all changes. And changes is something that is inevitable. So once you know that as a person, then you have to make plans in terms of performance, in terms of like revenue, you know, music wise, it's cut drastically. But I think I do the whole of a dub play and vice whatever for 45 and have the fee and you know what I mean, and you know, I do commercial, I do all of these things because I always expand the brand I-Octane.
Real thing. Oh, we noticed that you released a very popular video for your song Next. You have people, you got people to view in a kind of controversial way.
Again.
As per usual.
Watch it. Want to take off your glasses for that one now? Jesus.
But we want to ask you some insights still, you know. But we want to know if you feel like this method is the way to promote music.
If you understand that journalism today, journalism, a majority who is doing journalism don't have journalism credentials. They don't go school for it. They don't understand the pros and the cons, and you know. So a lot of people out there, and when you travel a lot like me, and you're out there like a lot like me, out of Jamaica, looking in the whole aspect of what's occurring in the music, you as an outsider see what these people on the internet put out. So it's not about, one time it was about artists like Reggae. A man hear about Reggae and hear him vice versa about the artist. But now it's about character. So any person can be a character and be the number one person. And then they move from the character to the product. So I understand. So it shouldn't be like that. And then these people, majority of these people that is on the internet claims that them vlogging and claims that them doing this. I fight a man job, but at the same time, I always say split it. If you ever say something about me, myself, what you think is negative, also mention that him have a new video coming out or him do this and do that. So it's not about that. I'm gonna think about, all right, if me get 1 million views on YouTube, I can get 3,000 US from or 4,000 US from YouTube. So I'm on only a pre-monthly salary and not pre how you know what I mean, deteriorate the music itself. So a lot of people out here say that dancehall going to, that reggae music going to, because Me and Craig T, we don't have a problem. We just give an opinion. You put out something and I give my opinion. And then them splice it up and say, him said this for that. And you, the woman, said, that's about me. You know what I mean? Because people not having a live conversation anymore. Nobody not calling. So everything that person see on the internet is like believe it. So it's like these people is like the voice of the market, of Jamaica market, and it's sad. So what I do, them all is I say, boy, acting, we need reggae songs. I'm say, you know, so I'm not really sing no more reggae songs because to be honest, I have a lot of big reggae songs, but I never really get the justice from the reggae market. And people always say, but the reggae every sing, and I'm saying, why you put me into a box? Why you want me to dash for dancehall? Dancehall is something that make me rich, take me out of poverty, take care of my kids, take care of my family, take care of my mother, put me into some different worlds, some different things that reggae has never done for me. Because in the reggae market, you know, it's like, yo, him do dancehall too much, yo, him not have no direction. When him really want. And then now, some things gone behind the scenes where people say, don't book him, man, him book for me artist. Greggy, you know he got in the music going work.
You need a balance there.
Yeah, so me say, all right, me on the dancer. So people are DM me, yo, Octane, we need some reggae songs. I said, when you start to listen to reggae songs, when you start to support reggae songs, we have big artists, we have IKEA, we have all of them little youth artists that we have come up and they're not supporting. You understand? It may even go into the conversation where they must say about positive. So I even mentioned I-Octane. I said, do you know that I-Octane just put out 3 songs? No, I never know about it. I said, no. But if I-Octane should pass a KFC and say, for instance, one of his kids want eat chicken, just for example, and he stop and you see I-Octane in a KFC line,
everybody are going to hear right the next day.
And who don't know that I-Octane just put out 3 songs? So what kind of journalism that? You understand? I don't understand that. I can't fathom that. So I was like, okay, it's like, I sing One Chance, me and Ginger, I'm going to go around it. I sing Where the Fire Gone, I'm still go around that. I sing Banger Phone because I deliberately sing Banger Phone. It went viral. It went viral because it debated, because you're saying that the song is bad, but it's not I-Octane standard. Oh, you know what is my standard? So if it's not debatable or something that you can get a negative impact that you can draw the traffic on your page, you're not going to mention something that is positive. So then I went on and I do a song named Someone to Love. And when I did Someone to Love, I think that one of that for Crow, I think that song's one of the best reggae songs coming out from 2020 into 2021. And then I also put out Octavia, which is my daughter. She's 10 at the time, just turned 11. And she writes some songs where...
DJ, we're run out of time doing it. Well, I don't know if a DJ or a singer. Artist. We are run out.
Artist. DJ.
So if we wrap up that, so that's why we say, all right then. Me up on a football field and I play cricket, so I play football too. So me use them better and beat them, and it went viral.
We're gonna skip straight to Global Reggae Night though. Like what can we expect tomorrow night?
Well, Global Reggae Night, you know, so tonight you have one of big artists. You have Coffee, you have People Chat, name a few, Taurus Riley. Taurus Riley is on mine, yeah? And tomorrow night you have me, Taurus, Dean Fraser, Tessan Chin, Alba Rose, Leroy Simmons, what's again? I don't want to leave out nobody. And you don't know me, I close that. Night one, Cable and I close that. So everything already. So people, please go and stream it. You know, you can see TVJ, you know, at 9 p.m. So we have some info right down because them say this info is imperative. At 9 p.m. we have PVC TV, PVC RJ. Good, stream it, and there are BP Records, YouTube. You can go and stream it. You understand? So you have Minister Grange, Facebook, you don't know, Honorable Minister Grange, Bob said that. So, go on our Facebook page and stream it.
People.
Culture, Minister of Culture, Facebook, stream it.
It's also on what Reggae JA. It's also on Reggae J.
Reggae Month JA on Facebook and Twitter.
Reggae Month JA.
Yes.
Yes,
Now, quickly before you leave, how can persons follow you on social media so them can see the whole madness we are going with?
They don't know. Slim Fast. My new name on Facebook, social media is Slim Fast. 75 in 3 months. So real I-Octane. That is the artist Instagram page.
All right, artist. Generally, people, Daytime Live will be right back with a fresh new video from Lila, Ike, and Skillybeg when we come back. Big up yourself, Octane. Catch you tomorrow night.